There's an Urban Outfitters across the street from Harvard Graduate School of Education. And in 2010-11 was kind of the start of the resurgence of these tribal trends in fashion. And Urban Outfitters had this bargain basement that was full of every stereotype imaginable. So I remember distinctly there was this entire table of totem pole jewelry stands and these neon dream catchers and these big fake feathered earrings and t-shirts with headdresses on them, like everything you can imagine. And that day when I was walking through the store, something kind of clicked. And I realized that my classmates at Harvard and my faculty, they only ever saw images like that of Native people. So I decided that that was a problem, and that was something I wanted to write about and explore. So I started my blog, Native Appropriations. It was a place to catalog all of these instances of misrepresentation. And through the years, it's grown from this sort of cataloging to a place where I can explore more deeply what these representations really mean. And that's where I found a lot of power in my voice, is being able to educate folks in these really short and simple ways, but be very impactful about talking about Indigenous issues and hopefully change people's minds.